We're flying through a storm! I've got the wings, Captain Oliver! We made it! Great flying, team! Let's build an airplane. This will be the front window. Every pilot needs a good hat. Look, it's done. Co-pilot Lily, ready for takeoff. All aboard flight 123. 3, 2, 1, take off! Look! Big mountains below us. The clouds are so soft and fluffy. This is Flight Oliver. All is well.
What wonderful pilots you two are.
Mommy, can we be real pilots one day?
Yes. With practice, you can be anything.
Let's visit the airport today.
Yes! The real airport. Let's go.
Everyone ready? Let's go!
Look! A real airplane in the sky. They are so big up close. Whoosh! It really flies so high.
Hello. I hear you love airplanes.
Yes, we do. How do you become a real pilot?
You study hard, and you practice every day.
Study hard and practice every day. But, what if it's too hard for me?
I felt that too. But small steps add up.
Yes. Small steps. I can do that. Can girls be pilots too?
Absolutely, yes. Girls fly planes every day.
Yay! I will fly planes one day. Wow, this feels so real.
Indeed, Oliver. Welcome to the cockpit.
I'm touching a real airplane wheel.
Look how happy they are up there.
They're having the best time. Keep dreaming big. The sky is waiting.
Thank you. I'll practice every day. Best day ever. I love airplanes. One day, this will be a real plane. Together, we can be real pilots. Ready for takeoff, someday for real. And so, Oliver and Lily learned that big dreams start with small, brave steps.